Hey everyone, have you ever broken something and thought, well, that's ruined forever? What if I told you that in Japan, broken things can become more beautiful than they were before? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery with gold. But this isn't just about fixing things. It's about embracing imperfection, finding beauty in flaws, and learning some powerful lessons about life. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just start looking at your own cracks and flaws in a completely new way. Kintsugi, which translates to golden joinery or golden repair, is a centuries-old Japanese technique. When a piece of pottery breaks, instead of hiding the damage, Kintsugi artists use a lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum to highlight the cracks. The result? A repaired piece that tells a story. It's not just fixed, it's transformed into something entirely unique and priceless. Isn't that beautiful? Here's a cool fact. Kintsugi isn't just about repairing pottery. It's a philosophy. It's rooted in the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which embraces imperfection and impermanence. Think about it. When we break something, our first instinct is often to throw it away or cover it up. But with Kintsugi, the cracks are celebrated. They're part of the object's history, not something to be ashamed of. And isn't that how life works? Kintsugi reminds us that it's okay to be imperfect, that our flaws make us unique. Imagine the transformation of a broken bowl into a masterpiece sparkling with gold. We all have scars, emotional, physical, or otherwise. Kintsugi teaches us that those scars can make us stronger and more beautiful, not despite them but because of them. Kintsugi symbolizes the journey of healing and growth, turning scars into beauty marks. Here's another interesting twist. Some people intentionally break new pottery just so they can repair it with Kintsugi. That's right, they see the act of breaking and repairing as a creative process. It's a way of adding depth and character to something that might otherwise seem ordinary. And maybe that's a lesson for all of us. Sometimes, the moments in life that break us are actually the ones that shape us the most. So, what can we learn from Kintsugi? First, don't be afraid of imperfections. Whether it's a mistake you've made, a setback you've faced, or a flaw you can't change, those cracks are part of your story. Second, don't just fix things, transform them. Whether it's your career, relationships, or even a hobby, you can take something broken and turn it into something better than before. And third, let's all embrace the idea that beauty isn't about being flawless. It's about being authentic, resilient, and proud of the journey that's made us who we are. If you found this as inspiring as I did, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that explore the beauty of art, culture, and life lessons from around the world. Let's keep finding the gold in all our cracks, together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And here's a challenge for you. Look at one of your own cracks, something you've been hiding or ashamed of. And think about how it's shaped you into the person you are today.